Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Before proceeding to the video, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do it now, and press bell icon so that you will never miss our future videos. In this video I am going to show you how to solve PHP executable is not found error in VS Code. First of all, you should have localhost servers such as XAMPP or WAMP. If not present, then install it. I have installed XAMPP in my system. Open it and set up the connections as shown. Now open the folder where XAMPP file is placed. Usually it will be placed in C drive. Open XAMPP folder and move to the PHP folder and click on php.exe file. Now copy this path. Go to Control Panel, then to System Properties and click on Environment Variable. Now double-click on Path Variable and paste the path we have copied. Now go back to VS Code and reload the window. Now you can see there is no error message popping up. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel for more amazing contents.